Hi student, this is Chandan Sahu, your English lover once again on YouTube. Good morning to all of you. Student, today I am going to discuss with you something about the letter writing, the process of letter writing. Because some of my students have requested me about that how to write a job application. Today I am going to discuss about the letter writing and also about a job application. That is very important things for all new aspirant, those who are looking for jobs. Student, before going to discuss about the letter writing, I want to say that letter is something that in past known as a art. Rabindranath Tagore have written so many letters, and that is a part of literature. But nowadays, in this modern age, we are gradually abolishing all those beautiful art of letter writing. But still now we have some necessity of letter writing, that is the formal letter, as you know, the official or the business letter. Basically today in the age of cell phone, we are not sending the letters, and gradually we are just forgetting all those writing of letter. Now we are going to discuss about the process of writing letter, the types of letter. You can see that here I can say that letter is something that is a very important part of every uh, person who is looking for job, and letter is basically categorized into two types, that is the formal letter and another is the informal letter. Formal letter is the official or the business letter, and the informal letter is the personal letter, which we send to our friends and relatives. Nowadays, we are not sending all those letters. And student, basic one thing I want to discuss with you, that formal letter or letter, all those letters have a set pattern, and these are generally written to the official regarding the serious issues. These letters can be written in a and clear pattern, a matter of fact style also. The language should be kept simple without including any unnecessary expression, as you know. And another thing, we are not going to discuss about the formal letter. Here just we are going to discuss about, informal letter. We are just going to discuss about the formal letter. And in these formal letter, you can find number one, the business letter. Here is the business letter. You see that what do you mean by this business letter? A business letter mean that the inquiries, asking for information, replies to inquiries, and also giving information, placing order and sending order, replies, cancelling order, all those things, and later registering a complaint, all those are basically goes to this type business letter. On the other hand, you see that is the official letter. It is very clear, number B, that is the official letter, and in this letter making a request appeal to some office in official way. And another thing is that number C, you can see the third number is the letter to the editor. It is also important very, and giving a suggestion on the issues of the public interest and expressing the views on an issue already raised in an article and write up in a published letter. Yes sir. So all those things, okay, we are going to discuss about those later. But here the most important thing is the letter of job application, letter of job application for the letter for job. So it is very important to us discuss about the job application letter. Now we came to learn that there have a business letter, and there have the official letter, there have the letter to the editor, newspaper editor, and also there have a government job application. Student, now we go to that part of letter writing. It is very vital or most important part of letter writing. You can see here there have a 7 parts of letter, and it is very important. And first thing is that there have a sender address, there have a date, there have a insider address, there have a salutation, there have the subject part, and there have the body part of the letter, and at last there have a complementary clause. So student, now we are going to discuss about all those things. You are seeing that on the screen, that the sender address, and that should be in the left hand corner of the letter, that it not include your name. It will not include your name, just it is the your address, your village, your flat number, likewise all those things, your district, pin code, all those things. And then you have to give a tab. After that there have a space, tab means space, and after that there have a date, and the day, year, month, or the month, the day, the month, and the year. On the other hand, you can see that the insider address, or to whom you are sending his address, and there must have a salutation like dear sir or dear madam, all those things. And on the other hand, after that you have to give that the body part of the letter, the most vital part of the letter, content of the official letter. When you are writing an official letter, a formal letter, that should be very brief, clear, precise, and complete with a respect to the information being conveyed. And on this last step is that is the complementary part, and the expression usually used in this official letter, yours faithfully, your obediently, your sincerely, all those things. And on the bottom there have a signature of you, and there have a designation of those persons who is writing the letter. So you know it, there have a 7 parts in a formal letter. Now we can go to the another slide. Here you can see I have given an example of the job letter. Here it is, as my student have requested me how to write a job letter, and it is also the pattern of writing this letter also same for the all official letter, but in some portion of the subject and some portion of the that body we can change it writing format. So here you can see that the WJ1263 Nagal Rai, New Delhi 110088, that is sender address. It is the first part. Okay, the first step of writing letter, and everything will be on. So you see that here is the sender address, but never put your name here. And this modern letter writing should be like that. Everything that on that left part of the letter pad there must have, and then you have to give a space, and after that you have to write the date. You can see the date appear directly below the address after leaving a line, and this is the date here, the 20th March 2020 2019 xxx. You can see there. After giving a gap, you have to give the receiver name, rank, and his address, whom you are sending, that is the receiver's address. You can see here the circulation manager, Outlook magazine, New Delhi, that is the receiver address and designation, and that is his rank also. You can see here. And after that you have to give the subject, that is the application for the post of the sales assistant. You have to give this, this is the subject part. And after that there have a salutation. We have already said there have dear sir or dear madam, you have to mention this. And then you can see here is the body part of the letter, introducing details of the service, nature of the complaint, subscription information, everything. If you are writing a business letter, you have to give like that. If you are writing a editorial letter, you have to start on the other way. But here we start that I read your advertisement, or you can say this is in response to your advertisement for the post of a sales assistant or a part-time base in the Times of India, dated likewise. That you can see here, that will be the subject of the job letter. Okay, and then the next part is that thank you and yours faithfully. That is the complimentary clause, faithfully, and that or your sincerely, you can see. And sometime when some student are writing their letter, they can say your obediently, and the signature in full means you will not give the short sign. There must have to mention the full name, the signature of the person here. So student, you can see here very clearly that a formal letter have a 7 part, and here I am writing this 7 part. That is, first one is the sender address, then there have a gap, and then the date, and there have a gap, then the receiver address, then the gap, and then the subject, and then gap, and then salutation, and after that there have a body part of the letter, and next is that the complimentary a clause, that is a thank you yours faithfully, likewise that. So it is very clear, and everything would be on the left hand, on the left hand of the letter pad. There have nothing or anything in this modern letter writing you can't have to write on the right uh, hand part of the pad. Now we are giving a example of that. You have to what mention here, you have to attach a curriculum vitae of someone who is sending the letter, and here I have presented a CV of Mr. Mohan Patel, and here CV of a Mohan Patel you can see here, and CV will be like that. There have so many patterns of writing CVs, and like the bold CVs, like formal CV and common CV. You can also attach a biodata also, and it is likely as a biodata here. Full name, father's name, sex, date of birth, health condition, marital status, hobbies, address, education qualification, and also there you can see the experience, and where you are working, that is the reference. Or likewise that I have given you the example of a very simple CV. There have so many patterns of writing CV. If you want to impress the companies you are applying for the job, so that's why you can find it on the office, Excel office or words, where you can go to there, and there have a format of writing the CVs and the or the biodata, so you can make it very attractive CV for your job opportunities. And but I have given you very formal and very simple example of CV here. The CV you can write like that: name, father's name, address, sex, date of birth, health, marital status, hobbies, and all those. You can include also email and contact email and phone number, education or academic qualification, and experience reference, you can see here. So student, this is about the whole about the writing of a letter, you can see here. And I have given you a very ideal example of a job application or job letter, and that type of format can be used everywhere for writing a formal letter. So student, thank you. Just see it, it is very important. Such type of format you have to follow when you are writing a formal letter. So it is very important for you. If you like that this is really beneficial for you, please subscribe my channel and give a like. Thank you to all of you again.